I audible?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So let's begin with quickly the implementations of DEX functions. I already done. Everybody should just have the data set. So I'm just first sharing the data set with you. Okay, kindly connect the Power BI desktop with this data set. Okay. In this data set, there are two tables which is already being connected. Okay, you just download this and just have a connection of your Power BI desktop with this data set. Export this Excel sheet into your Power BI environment. Do it quickly. I'll be just giving you guidelines how to just make it the things, because there are so many things we can have it here, but there are the basic functionalities I'm going to explain. And quickly start basically getting the count, distinct count. Okay. Uh, 1 second. Okay. Distinct count, sum of the unit prices. So all such kind of basically things which we can have it in the DEX function. So that's the aggregate DEX functions. We can have it here. Okay. I think there are few we already demonstrated in the last session. I didn't remember actually, but yeah, we do. I'm just checking 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So we already done with the sum x, count, average, okay, distinct, min, max, average. So the similar way you had to start working on it, okay? Yeah. See, we already discussed this, okay? I'm not going to explain the same thing. I directly showing you how to implement it. So आप आपकी तरफ ये same to same आपको मेरा screen दिखाई दे रहा है ना?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start working on this. The syntaxes I had already implemented. The query I had already written over here. Start working on it. Quickly करके देखो. Data set already आपको दे दिया है. Done? See, suppose you are having any table, okay, and you want to evaluate it. Okay, so you just simple evaluate the table like this. Okay, so evaluate sales table. So you just want to be what exactly there in your sales table. So you can just have a evaluate sales table. Simple table expressions you can pass it here. आपके पास अगर कुछ और टेबल होगा, आप उसके ऊपर भी ये वर्क एग्जीक्यूट करके देख सकते हो. Suppose you want to check the values. Okay, how you're going to check the values? Let's say evaluate. 1 second. Evaluate values. Okay, the table name you will be having. Okay, so here you can pass any table. Okay, so you will be passing, say, product table. Okay, and any product. Okay, so what exactly there in the product table? So let's say product name you want to evaluate. Okay, so you just want to see how many products are there. So you can pass it like this. Okay. Mm, yeah. Several is coming. Let me check. Evaluate product name. Yeah. So we are able to see in the product table what exactly the products are available. Okay. So there are certain electronics items, economic appliances. So this is basically electronic, basically items table. That's a product table, and the category or a product name it is being mentioned here. If suppose you are working on certain table where the city is there, location is there, region is there. So if you remember, we already talked about in the SQL, that's a database, right? We already compiled the database. We created database records, tables we created, and after that we are having foreign key constraint. So you directly import that database. Okay, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको जो मैं टेबल आपको जस्ट आपको ये दो टेबल मैं क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए बता रही हूँ कि कैसे क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है. But it is not necessary that you will be using only these two tables. So if you want, you can connect that database. Okay, already you are having that database with you. Through your Power BI environment, you just connect that database, have those table where you want to write certain DEX functions or DEX queries, and you can do the same way which we are doing. I am doing on the product table. You can have it on your location table in that database. If you are having departments, or you can work on the department table, roles table are there, and then employee master is there. So whichever be the table you want for DEX queries, you can have it that, and you are good to go with the DEX query basically editor here. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? कोई जरूरी नहीं कि इसी पे ही काम करना है आपको.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this query working? Evaluate sales table is equal to some sales tables unit price.
It was earlier working. I made some changes, so I don't think so it is working right now, but I'll just check. No, it's actually showing me error. In your end, is it working or is it showing the same?
No, no, ma'am. It is not working. It is showing
Okay,
some error.
fine, no problem. We will go step by step. Don't worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Same problems with me.
yeah,
Yes.
no worries. We will go for, step by step. So evaluate values clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will also see certain values on the basis of calculate table functions. Okay, so there is one another function which is called as a calculate table. Okay, so we are having calculate table function. Okay, there we will be having any column we can have it. Okay, or else we can have it table name. Okay, so we are having table, say, let's say product or a sales table. I just consider a sales table. Okay, so like you can expand the sales table or product table here in the table side on your right hand side, so that you can see which kind of column you want to evaluate. Okay, so it's not necessary that every time you have to evaluate the table and look for that column name. You can have it on the right hand side if you are able to see. If you just go to the tables option, you will see how many columns are there in the product table, how many columns are there in the sales table, and based on that column you can just write a query here. हमेशा आपको select star from table जो हम करते थे वैसी query यहाँ पे evaluate table हो रहा है. सो बार बार वो क्वेरी फायर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट सी, जस्ट लुक हियर एंड यू कैन जस्ट राइट द क्वेरी बेस्ड ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट. क्लियर है आपको क्या बोला है मैंने अभी? Yeah, no, nothing.
Yes, ma'am. I was just writing the query.
Fine, no worries. So instead of that sales table, what I'm planning to have it is the order table, sorry, product table only. I'm just working on with the calculate table. And then the filter also I'm just applying with the product table for the category. Okay. And then for the category, I will be looking for or a product name. Let's say product name I will be working on. That would be better because product name I am already just now, we just had it. And then equals to any product name you can pass it here. Okay. With the double quotes. Is this clear? अभी अब मेरे को पता नहीं है कि product name क्या होगा. So in that case, I will be just going forward with this query, and I'll be just going with this or a luxury device. Anything you can have it, luxury gadget. So you can just pass it that value. Is this clear?
Ma'am, please, I'm writing query.
Why are you writing?
Ma'am, actually, I'm not working on the product ID and product name table. I'm working on have you recall tallest building
Oh,
data?
yeah, okay.
I'm
वो
working
data
on
set
that
पे काम
actually.
कर रहे
Yeah.
हो. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. सो द कंडीशनल जैसे हमने वेयर क्लॉज यूज किया था ना वैसे यहाँ पे वो कैलकुलेट टेबल वर्क करता है विथ सर्टेन कंडीशन. इज दिस क्लियर? So you will able to see that a product table product ID is a P002. The category already is being mentioned. The product table is home. The product table cost is 12, and that basically when it is being launched, that launch date is also being mentioned here.
Ma'am, it will give the like specific information of that product.
Exactly. It is giving the specific information about this particular product which we had passed, Deluxe Gadget. Okay.
Okay,
अब
okay.
यहाँ पे मैंने ये टेबल यूज किया है इसलिए मैं डिलक्स गैजेट की बात कर रही हूँ. आई जस्ट सीन द प्रोडक्ट नेम और देयर. बट इफ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन द डेटाबेस विच वी डिस्कस्ड राइट, जो HRMS डेटाबेस है, तो वहां पे आप लोकेशन डाल सकते हो, आप रीजन डाल सकते हो, आप डिपार्टमेंट डाल सकते हो. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर राइट फॉर एक्सट्रैक्ट द वैल्यूज. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
सो इट
Yes.
इज नॉट कंपल्सरी कि इसी टेबल पे आपको काम करना है, ऐसा कंपल्सरी नहीं है. ये मैंने आपको सैंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए यूज किए गए दो टेबल्स हैं. बट यू कैन डायरेक्टली वर्क ऑन द डेटाबेस विच वी ऑलरेडी created. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just show you one example over here. Instead of just execution, I just show you. Okay. This is just a comment. I just made it a comment and then I'm writing. Okay. So, यहाँ पे मैंने डेटाबेस यहाँ से ये कनेक्ट नहीं किया हुआ है. मैं आपको एक जस्ट एग्जांपल देती हूँ. मान लो कि यू वांट टू कंबाइन द वैल्यूज एंड कैलकुलेट टेबल फंक्शन ऑन अ लिस्ट ऑफ कस्टमर और लिस्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज एट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन. जो आपका डेटाबेस डीबी है उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कंबाइन दैट इन द डेक्स फंक्शन. ओके. उस थोड़ा सा ट्राई टू इमेजिन कि आप वो वाले डेटाबेस पे काम कर रहे हो. ओके. सो यू विल बी हैविंग कैलकुलेट टेबल, then you will be having values, then you will be having employees, because employees नाम का टेबल रहेगा हमारा. राइट. एम्प्लॉइज टेबल में क्या रहेगा आपका? लोकेशन. अगर एम्प्लॉइज का लोकेशन नहीं है, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन एम्प्लॉय विथ डिपार्टमेंट आईडी. डिपार्टमेंट में आईडी तो था ही. आई रिमेंबर दैट. ओके. एंड देन you can also look forward for values this, and you can check that location maybe say New York. Okay, I'm just taking example. I don't remember what are the basically cities we are having. Okay, so here we can evaluate the employees from employee table where the department ID, we actually extracting the department ID from the employees table who are located at New York location. Is it clear? Then order by, it is also working here. Okay. So you can order by the things. You can calculate the things and at the same time you can order by the things. Okay. So here itself you can order by.
Ma'am, all the functions used in the SQL, all
Ah,
the
वैसे ही
clauses used
direct.
in the SQL can be used here.
Yes, we can order by. Okay, order by अगर आपको जो चाहिए रहेगा ascending, descending, you can have it here as well. Okay, 1 second. Order by, that's it. If I just write it down, order by, it will come automatically.
Then if we by chance don't want to use the DAX queries, can we use SQL instead
Yeah,
of
that's,
this?
yeah, always better option.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. I thought only this was the option.
No, this is not the option. This is the alternative. The person who is only knowing Power BI, they don't know the SQL. Such kind of people only use DEX queries. Okay. But
Okay,
in
ma'am.
your case, okay, all of you I'm talking about. We already practice SQL, right? वही यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा सिंटेक्स अलग है. SQL में क्या था? सिलेक्ट था, right? सिलेक्ट क्वेरी से हम सारी चीजें लिखते थे. सिलेक्ट दिस, सिलेक्ट दैट, एंड देन where clause, then group by clause, having clause, joins, inner join, outer join. We had seen all that things, right? Using select clause. If you remember, same thing we are doing with the help of evaluate here. That's it. Nothing change. We also seen the aggregate functions in the SQL. Same way the aggregate functions we can have it here also. Is this clear? Yes. Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Now I am just giving you few assignment based on the DEX queries. Okay. So you just try to do it. It's not compulsory कि आपको करना ही है, लेकिन आप कोशिश करोगे तो आपसे बन जाएंगे वो. Okay. So is it okay? Shall I give you few assignments for the DEX queries and we can end the Power BI topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are very basic queries I'm just giving you. Consider any table, okay? It is not necessary that you should work on the tables which I had shared with you. You can consider any table as I told you, okay? And I just want sorting the results which are being generated, okay? Sorting the results after applying calculate table and value functions. Okay, calculate table and value functions. Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we will use order by clause. Okay. Then the next is adding calculations. Adding calculations. How you can use how you can do this? Whenever you want to add calculations in your DAX queries, you had to use one. आप ऐड कर रहे हो मतलब आप डिफाइन कर रहे हो, राइट? आप खुद से कुछ डिफाइन कर रहे हो. Try to understand this. Once you are defining something, so we are having one function define here. Okay, so you have to use a define keyword and just write a query. Suppose I want to define, let's say, okay, I just want to define a temporary variable. Okay, so I'll be using define and measure keyword. Okay, दो keywords use होते हैं, measure, MEASUR, measure keyword. Okay, so these are the two keywords we are going to use to add a separate calculation. मतलब अगर जैसे मान लो कि अब अगर यहाँ पे मैं मेरा टेबल देखती हूँ, okay, so in the sales table I am not able to find total electronics product sell. Okay, मेरे पास total sell है. Okay, मैं total sales कैलकुलेट भी कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम का ही सेल चाहिए है, टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम सेल्स और प्रोडक्ट सेल्स. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या लगेगा? मुझे एक डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा एक वेरिएबल. ओके, सो इन दैट केस आई विल बी यूजिंग डिफाइन मेजर. ओके, एक वेरिएबल डिफाइन करूंगी मैं. कैसे डिफाइन करूंगी मैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेल्स अमाउंट, ये एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया है. दिस विल बी द वेरिएबल, एंड आगे चल के जो भी आप इवेल्युएट करोगे वो होना ही है. ओके, सो इट विल बी अ सम इन द ब्रैकेट, आपका जो भी सेल्स टेबल रहेगा और उसमें आपका जो सेल अमाउंट रहेगा. ओके, और आप उसको इवेल्युएट कैसे करोगे? आप इवेल्युएट करोगे. ओके, आप इवेल्युएट कैसे करोगे? इवेल्युएट आप कैसे करोगे? इसमें आप एक तो ऐड कॉलम करोगे, इन द ब्रैकेट वैल्यूज, और फिर आपका आपको अगर सिर्फ ऐड कॉलम नहीं भी करना है, आपको सिर्फ इवेल्युएट करना है, तो यू विल बी इवेल्युएटिंग लाइक दिस ओनली. That's it. Okay. Then, how you will return a single value? Yes, I will be just explaining that also. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है रिटर्निंग अ सिंगल वैल्यू. Are coming in my Word file. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. Returning a single value. How you are going to do that? Sometimes you just want to return a single result. Okay, return a simple result. So there you can return a single scalar value, not a table. So in that case, you can just have a row. Okay, you can just have a row. Okay, row is a keyword you will be using. So row is a keyword you will use. Okay, ये normally older version में तो row होता था. Okay, sometimes sum is also no, not sum. Row ही use होता है. Okay. Any single value if you want to return, you can just have a row as a value. At a time दो टेबल दिखाने हैं तो if you want to show two tables at a time or a multiple tables at a time?
Ma'am, it will be cross join.
Yes, I lost my connection because of some Zoom error. I don't know. Like where we actually discussed, what was the last thing we were discussing? Can you just help me?
Ma'am, you were telling about showing the two tables at one time.
Okay, that was the last thing. Okay, fine. No worries. I thought I lost so much before the time actually. Yeah.
No, no.
So multiple values, how you can have it. And yeah, if you want to show two tables or multiple tables at a time, how you are going to do that. So that is a solution I wanted, okay, in the form of DEX queries. So these are the commonly used DEX queries, okay, when we are using DEX functions. See, DEX functions जो है वो आप डायरेक्टली एनवायरनमेंट में ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके भी यूज करते हो, ओके, फिल्टर्स हम अप्लाई करते हैं, काउंट्स अप्लाई करते हैं, ऐड कॉलम अप्लाई करते हैं, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. डेक्स क्वेरीज इज अनदर वे टू हैव इट, ओके. ओके, जो डेक्स क्वेरी करता है वही सीक्वल करता है. सो देयर इज नो एज सच बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेक्स क्वेरीज एंड द सीक्वल एग्रीगेट फंक्शंस एंड द टेक्स्ट फंक्शंस, ओके. अगर आपको सीक्वल इजी लगता है तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन इंपोर्ट योर डेटा सेट और डायरेक्टली यू कैन गेट इनटू द सीक्वल एनवायरनमेंट एंड देयर यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग द क्वेरीज. दैट वुड बी द बेटर ऑप्शन, ओके. अगर आपको सीक्वल नहीं पता है, समटाइम इट हैपेंस दैट पीपल डोंट नो सीक्वल, so they can use and learn the DEX queries and they work on the DEX queries for the analysis purpose, okay. But the SQL is a right tool for doing exact analysis, because in the SQL we know how what kind of data we are handling, okay. Data type पता रहता है, उसकी capacity पता रहती है, और SQL में tremendous size का data हम analyze कर सकते हैं. So there are certain plus points with the SQL, okay, but it is not like कि मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि सिर्फ SQL ही only tool है. Using next queries, you can do it in the Power BI as well, okay. But the Power BI purpose is not writing query. Power BI main purpose is creating dynamic dashboards and having the modeling that we already discussed and seen in the previous sessions. Is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about a small assignment and the Power BI and the Power BI features. And yeah, I'm sharing this file with you. Just give me 1 second. आप लोगों को मेरा स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
मैम वो बीच में कभी कभार बस हो रहा है एक दो बार कि जब वो नहीं विजिबल, बाकी विजिबल है.
Okay. I think this is a problem with the Zoom, I think. Anyway, now I am stop sharing. Okay. And now I'm sharing the file which I was using. Okay. Because in that file, there is a small assignment. So I'm just sharing that file with you. And in that file, yesterday discussion which we made, many of you were not there in the yesterday session. The yesterday session was completely for the project. Okay. So we had discussed so many things in the project side. So there is one project idea is already elaborated in this file as well. Okay. जो आपको assignment के ऊपर दिखेगा. Okay, so जिन लोगों ने कल का सेशन नहीं अटेंड किया है, so they can refer that as well, because in the yesterday session we talked about the project. Okay, so please connect with your friends and just get a idea about it, or else you can go to the recordings and just go through the case studies which we discussed yesterday for the complete project. Okay, which the topic we are discussed till the date. Is this clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's talk about a next topic. Okay, that's a Python. How many of you are comfortable with the programming?
I'm comfortable with it.
Okay. What about others?
No, ma'am.
I'm not frequent, but
Okay.
we
Let's
try.
talk about few things about the Python programming. Okay. That's a basic idea about the programming. And then maybe if time permits, we can establish the environment. Okay. For the Python, or else we can do it in the next session. Okay. So I'm just sharing the file screen again. I'm getting here, and now I'm just creating one folder. Okay. So now tell me what are the things you are knowing about the Python? Just now you said like you are aware about.
Now,
Yeah.
it is the easiest out of three. Actually, I'm pursuing the computer science and engineering.
Okay.
So I have gone through the C++ and Java.
Okay.
So I consider it as an easy language because the syntax is very simple. It doesn't, like in C++, we have to be very careful about we have to use curly braces and everything. But in Python, it is pretty simple.
Okay. But like in what sense it is pretty simple? That is my
For
question.
example, ma'am, I started DSA the previous semester. I
Hmm.
started doing it in Python.
Okay.
But my teacher said that you do not have to pursue it in Python because you will not able to build logic in this. Because there are directly functions. For example, we can create a list in this, and directly push and pop functions are available.
Okay. Okay, fine. So the main important part here is if you just talk about any application for a rapid development. Okay, in general we are talking about. We are not right now talking about data analytics. If I just want to develop any application or any small things I want to do it. Okay, any small task I want to do it. So if I go with a Java or a C plus plus, it is actually difficult. I don't say like it's a difficult. I said it is actually needed lot many lines of code to be written. Okay, simple example we consider here. Okay, let's say there is a Java. Okay, and there is a Python. Okay, and now I want to print. What I want to print is I want to print simple hello world. Simple program we start with. Okay, मेरे screen पे hello world लिखा आना चाहिए. This is what is my requirement. Okay. ये मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है ओके दिस इज अ सिंपल टास्क आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओके नाउ इन द केस ऑफ जावा ओके one second. So these are the two basically languages we are comparing. Okay, now in the Java what I supposed to do to print as a hello world. So the very first thing I had to do is I need to declare few classes. Okay, So I need to start declaring the classes कि मुझे कुछ तो करना है। क्या करना है कि मुझे एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन बनाना है जो जब भी मैं एग्जीक्यूट करूंगी वो हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करते रहेगा। तो उसके लिए मैंने क्लास डिफाइन करना जरूरी है। वो मुझे पब्लिकली डिफाइन करना जरूरी है क्योंकि वो एनी टाइम इट कैन बी एग्जीक्यूट आउटसाइड द थिंग्स। ओके, सो इसलिए मैंने उसको पब्लिक किया। फिर आई हैड टू गो विद द मेन फंक्शन, मतलब जहां से वो कोड एग्जीक्यूट होता है कंपाइलर में। ओके, सो आई हैड टू राइट अ मेन फंक्शन हियर, सो दैट इज द स्टैटिक वॉइड मेन आई हैड टू डिक्लेयर। एंड इन दिस फंक्शन, ये फंक्शन जो है वो ट्रिगर पॉइंट है, मतलब वो एंट्री पॉइंट है ऐसे कह सकते हैं। वो वहां से आपका कोई भी प्रोग्राम जावा का एग्जीक्यूट होता है। ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड बेसिकली लाइन ऑफ कोड आई हैड टू राइट whenever I write a simple line of basically program or single small program like printing hello world। तो ये मेरा फंक्शन होना जरूरी है मेरे प्रोग्राम में, मेरे कोड में। अब ये कोड के अंदर मैंने कर्ली ब्रैकेट डालना है एंड देन आई हैड टू राइट, मतलब सिर्फ यही चाहिए था मुझे, लेकिन मुझे उसके लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ा, उसके लिए मुझे क्लास ऐड करनी पड़ी, उसके अंदर मेन फंक्शन लिखना पड़ा, और फिर जाके मुझे ये जो चाहिए है प्रिंट करना है, वो मैं अब इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रही हूँ कंपाइलर को। अब समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं यहाँ पे? Try to just understand whatever I had written. Don't get into the deeper side of the Java programming. Okay, we are not going to discuss Java programming here at all. Just try to understand how much things I had to do it only just for doing this thing. मुझे सिर्फ ये ही करवाना था कि हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करवाना है, मतलब मेरे सिस्टम ने मुझे प्रिंट देना है, आउटपुट प्रिंट करवाना है हेलो वर्ल्ड। लेकिन उसके लिए मुझे क्लास ऐड करनी पड़ रही है, उसके अंदर मुझे मेन फंक्शन कॉल करना पड़ रहा है, और मेन फंक्शन के अंदर मुझे सिस्टम क्लासेस के फंक्शंस के थ्रू मैं हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करवा रही हूँ। आप समझ रहे हो चीजों को? क्या है ये सिंटेक्स जो लिखा हुआ है? Those who are having CS background anytime, they can understand. Yes or no?
Now, please can you repeat the question?
See, if I just want to print hello world in Java, how much thing I had to write? First, I had to create a class. Then in that class, within that class, I had to write a main function, because without main function, no program in the Java will execute, because main function is entry. वहीं से ही एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट
Yes,
होता
ma'am.
है, राइट? तो मुझे मेन फंक्शन तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा। उस फंक्शन के अंदर मैं सिस्टम के क्लासेस यूज कर रही हूँ, सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंटलन। प्रिंटलन मेरा फंक्शन है विच बिलोंग्स टू सिस्टम क्लास, मतलब ये इंटरनल क्लासेस होती है, मतलब कंपाइलर की क्लासेस है। और उसके अंदर मुझे क्या आउटपुट चाहिए वो मैं प्रिंट करवा रही हूँ इन द डबल कोट्स, दैट्स अ हेलो वर्ल्ड। ओके, मतलब सिर्फ हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करने के लिए मुझे 4 लाइन का कोड लिखना पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे जावा में। यस और नो? तभी जाके
Yes,
जावा
ma'am.
कंपाइलर अंडरस्टैंड करेगा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली the user want that print hello world। okay, but where is it python में मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे सिर्फ लिखना है print
Hello world.
in the bracket
Hello world.
hello world, that's it। इतना लिखा, पाइथन को समझ में आ जाएगा और अगले लाइन में वो आउटपुट दे देगा। क्लियर है? इट विल जनरेट द आउटपुट। ओके, इफ आई जस्ट कट इट हियर, ये कंपैरिजन अगर आपको, 1 सेकेंड, I just made it here, okay? Now look at this. How many lines of code I had to write to just print hello world in the Python, whereas in the Java, how many? In general, आप ही खुद काउंट कर सकते हो यहाँ लिखा हुआ प्रोग्राम को देख के। Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you understand by this? Here we clearly understood that when we use a Java programming, we need to declare lot many classes. There is a certain method structure. मतलब उसका एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर है जो हमको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, तो ही आपका कंपाइलर, जो जावा का कंपाइलर है, हर एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का कंपाइलर होता है, जावा का भी होता है, पाइथन का भी होता है। ओके, सो कंपाइलर एक ऐसा इंटरनल एप्लीकेशन होता है जो हेल्प करता है जो भी कोडर ने कोड किया है उसको एग्जीक्यूट करके रिजल्ट देने के लिए, मतलब उसी को ये सिंटेक्स समझ में आता है। और बीइंग अ कोडर वी आल्सो अंडरस्टूड, लेकिन जब वो कोडिंग करके एग्जीक्यूट होता है वो मशीन लैंग्वेज में एग्जीक्यूट होता है, एंड दैट इज बीइंग अंडरस्टूड बाय योर कंपाइलर। तो हर एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के लिए कंपाइलर तो लगता है, लेकिन जावा का कंपाइलर को ज्यादा इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पड़ रहे हैं। मेक सेंस?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I use Python instead of Java, it is more easy, right? मतलब कोई बेसिक जिसको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज भी पता है या थोड़ा बहुत सिंटेक्स भी इधर उधर का पता है, those people can easily understand Python and Python syntax, right? Because it is easy. Yeah. If I compare with the Java as a programming language here, but it's not the one Java I had taken. If you've taken a C++, there also you need to write so many classes and other things. Okay. If you just take any other example, just give me one. Yeah. So I was discussing that it's not only the Java I'm comparing here. You can have it any other language. You can have it C++, you can have it C Sharp or even PHP. All the programming language need certain structure to be followed. Okay, certain things, certain basically classes need to be added, and then you can generate a simple output like a hello world. But whereas into the Python, it's just a one line program. So which is easy to understand. Yeah, which is easy,
Um, Python is a lot easy.
right? So because it requires very less number of basically instructions to be written or a code to be written. Okay. अब मैं ये तो हुआ easy to understand and learn, मतलब ये जो फीचर हम बोलते हैं ना कि Python is easy to understand and learn or write the code in Python. So that's a feature we are discussing. The second feature we are having, Python is a dynamically typed. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, I'll again explain you.
Because it has significant identity, that's why.
What kind of identity?
Uh, I mean, ma'am, as you said that in Java there are three steps, and in Python only one step. It means that it has its own significant. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a student of BTech, so I don't have particular word for this. I could say that its code is much easier than Java.
Yeah, that's true.
Ma'am, actually,
Hmm.
ma'am, dynamic typing at the like we don't need to explicitly declare the variable in Python.
Exactly.
This is the dynamic
Main, yeah.
typing.
So in the dynamic type means, see, there are data types, right? So whenever we are basically in the SQL also we talked about data types. If you remember, SQL is also kind of language, and there also we discuss the data type, right? There we discuss three types of data type. One is a numeric, then we are having डेट टाइम, एंड द थर्ड वन इज अ टेक्स्ट टाइप। ओके, और फिर उसको एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए सिक्वल के पास var char होता है, इंट होता है, var होता है, राइट, लॉन्ग इंट होता है, देन डेट टाइम के लिए डेट होता है, शॉर्ट डेट होता है, और टेक्सचुअल के लिए वी आर हैविंग अगेन varchar, देन वी आर हैविंग टेक्स्ट काइंड ऑफ डेटा, फाइल काइंड ऑफ डेटा. सो दिस इज ऑल द डेटा टाइप द SQL लैंग्वेज कैन बी हैंडल्ड. ओके, और हमको वो डिफाइन करना पड़ता है जब हम क्रिएट टेबल करते हैं. So similarly, in any other programming language also, whenever the data type comes, मतलब data type कब आता है, जब variable आप handle कर रहे हो. So variables come with their own data type. मतलब अगर आप जैसे किसी का नाम store करना चाह रहे हो, तो name is always a character type or a string type of data. Suppose you want to store say weather or say some numeric value. So that value will be in the numeric format. Okay, so that is into the integer or a float kind of values. तो ये जो डेटा टाइप होता है दैट इज डिफाइंड, प्री डिफाइनली हमको बताना पड़ता है कंपाइलर को कि भाई ये मेरा इंटीजर जो टाइप का वेरिएबल है. समझ लो कि मैंने यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. ओके, give me 1 second. What happened? I'm again sharing the screen. I don't know why the word is troubling. ओके, सो आई वॉज टेलिंग कि अगर मान लो यहाँ पे इस प्रोग्राम में ही मैंने कुछ डिफाइन किया, समझ लो मुझे एक वेरिएबल डिफाइन करना है, तो मुझे वेरिएबल उसका टाइप डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा कि भाई ये इंटीजर टाइप का एक ए नाम का वेरिएबल है जो कुछ भी वैल्यू स्टोर करेगा, लेट्स से 10. ओके, तो जो 10 नाम का मेरे पास वेरिएबल है उसका जो डेटा टाइप रहेगा वो रहेगा इंटीजर, और वो कहाँ जाके स्टोर हो रहा है, ए में जाके स्टोर हो रहा है. वेयर इज इन टू माई पाइथन आई डोंट नीड टू डिक्लेयर इंट, आई डोंट नीड टू डिक्लेयर फ्लोट, इट इज डायनामिकली टाइप जहां पे वी डोंट नॉट नीड. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है अगर आपने दिया तो गलती होगी या आपको एरर आएगा, वी डोंट नीड इट. ओके, इफ यू राइट इट विल एक्सेप्ट, इफ यू डोंट राइट स्टिल इट विल वर्क. ओके, सो दैट इज अ डायनामिकली टाइप मीनिंग. इज दिस क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Fine. Then we are having different libraries, predefined libraries है पाइथन में. सबसे बेस्ट बेसिकली पार्ट क्या है पाइथन का यूज करने का आज के डेट में? Why everybody is using Python nowadays? Because Python comes with lot many packages with it. Okay, और वो पैकेजेस ऑलरेडी रिटर्न पैकेजेस है, मतलब हमको उसमें कुछ करना नहीं, हमको सिर्फ उनको ऐड करना है, राइट? सो दैट्स अ रेडीमेड थिंग वी आर गेटिंग. सो जो हम जब यूज करेंगे इन द डेटा एनालिटिक्स, वी विल बी यूजिंग pandas, we will be using numpy, matplotlib we will be using, there are few other libraries we will be touching up. All these things will be ऑटोमेटिकली अवेलेबल, हम उनको कुछ नहीं करने वाले, हम सिर्फ उनको कॉल करेंगे, और वंस वी कॉल देम दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग एज अ बेसिकली सपोर्टिव थिंग्स फॉर अ डेटा एनालिटिक्स. फिर हमने अरे लिखा है, डिक्लेयर किया है, उसको वो एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन एनालाइज लिस्ट, वी कैन एनालाइज टपल, डिक्शनरीज. सो दीज ऑल काइंड ऑफ डेटा बेसिकली वी विल बी यूजिंग फॉर अ डेटा एनालिटिक्स. तो ये जो टाइप्स में आप बात करें ना, अरेज हो गया, इंडेक्सेस हो गया, टपल्स हो गया, सेट्स हो गया, सो ये सारी चीजें वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिंटेक्स, मतलब कैसे डिक्लेयर किए जाते हैं. क्योंकि जो भी डेटा होता है वो ऑलवेज इन द कलेक्शन होता है, इधर दैट इज इन द सिमिलर कलेक्शन आइटम्स. मतलब अगर मान लो कि न्यूमरिक कलेक्शन हुआ, मतलब एक मान लो 50 नंबर है, अलग अलग नंबर है, सो दैट कैन बी अ वन डेटा, यू कैन हैव इट, दैट्स अ कलेक्शन. और इट कैन बी अ डेटा लाइक नंबर भी है और टेक्स्ट भी है, so that can be a data, that's a multiple dimensional, you can have it. और सिर्फ टेक्स्ट वैल्यू है, तो that kind of data collection you can handle it. So all different kind of data collection. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक्सेल था, हमारे पास टेबल्स थे, राइट, इन द सीक्वल. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास कुछ अलग अलग तरीके की चीजें हैं जिसमें हम डेटा कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड दोज थिंग्स आर नथिंग, दे आर योर tuples, they are your dictionaries, they are list, okay, they are arrays with the indexes. So many things are there that we are going to discuss maybe in the next class. Okay, is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from that, there are a lot many basically uses of Python. It's not only for the data analysis or data science. Python is being used in web development also. It is also being used for desktop applications and mobile applications development also. It is also being used for the CAD applications, okay? Mechanical softwares बनाने के लिए, machine learning के लिए. In lot many areas, the Python is being used, okay? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Machine learning is most common.
Yes. So the machine learning, we will be having TensorFlow libraries. We are having PyTorch is another one. Matplotlib is again one of the machine learning library. Okay. And if you just talk about data, basically, what I say, the data analytics, and we are having NumPy and Pandas, which are very commonly used libraries. Apart from that, Pygame is another library for game development. Okay, so there are so many libraries available in the Python environment, and we can have those libraries, and we can directly create, we can analyze the data, we can create a data set, and then further we can apply certain operation on that data sets. Is it clear to everyone? Now, before to that, I just want everybody should understand basic syntax of while loops, for loop, conditional statements. Okay, these are important. That I'm not going to touch because I am going to explain you from the installation and the library used in the data analytics. Okay, अगर आपको वो basic syntax नहीं पता है, so that is a homework for you. Please brush up those skills, and then you can easily understand when we talk about the Python for the data analytics. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we will stop here today. Anyone having any doubt?
Ma'am, which version of Python we should install?
See, we will be installing first Anaconda, okay? And through the Anaconda, we will be installing Jupyter, basically Notepad. And through that, we will get a latest version only, okay? क्योंकि वो जो environment है वो cloud environment रहता है. So in the cloud, we will always get a latest one, okay? If you are installing through the PyCharm, okay, then you need to check which version right now available, or you can have it any older version with the PyCharm also. That's not a problem. Okay. So there are two
Ma'am,
ways, rather, there are many ways actually using Python installation, but we will go with the Anaconda.
ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, can I use Google Colab?
fine, you can use that as well.
Okay.
If you are having IPYNB file, you can use that as well. Okay. If any IPYNB file, if you are having, so you can directly open the IPYNB file. Okay, it's definitely open in the Google Colab or in the Jupyter only, and then you can directly start executing the code over there also. That is also possible. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Anyone having any other doubt? Or we can wind up here. I hope no one is having any doubt. Fine. So we will end up the session here. We will meet tomorrow and we will start installing the Python. Okay. Those who are comfortable already having Python environment, fair enough. Those who are not, I will be explaining the setup and then we move into the tuples, dictionary, list, and we will execute small programs. Okay. And then later on, we will see how in the Python we can import CSV files. Okay. And do the data analytics using NumPy and Pandas.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye-bye.